It was 2 days designed to generate new ideas, explore ideals, and show off untapped skills. As local, regional, and international animation enthusiasts and experts in the field participated in the second staging of the Kingstoon Animation Conference and Film Festival. The event was held at the Edna Manley College for the Visual and Performing Arts on March 12 and 13.
The objective of Kingstoon really is to bring players in the industry from as far and wide as we can get them, and I think we have managed to do that this year. If you look at the lineup of persons that we have, who really are coming here to give us advice, to teach us some of the nuances of the industry that we may not be aware of.
That was facilitated through the hosting of several seminars with experienced animators and international animation studio executives. The seminars focused on the purpose of animation, understanding the distribution of animation, how to stay profitable in the business, getting funding, and how to pitch animation ideas. And the lessons learned?
One of the things that resonate most is perhaps, the daily practice of just honing your craft, no matter how you feel about your state of progress at the time. Your next drawing is always your best drawing.
The main thing that I got from this Kingston everybody talking is to, when they said leave your ego by the door, that everything, you can't always be a one-man show, You have to take in critique, it's always a collaborative effort, even if you do it by yourself. My film, I got a lot of critique, I got a lot of help. It's never really a one-man show.
Participants were also kept up to date on various animation software and platforms to help create that winning production.
So if I just say, well, your head should be bouncing a little more, I can just cut it out quickly, click on my rotation tool, rotate it up, and go in like that. And so if you're working on bamboo, you've got the drawing ability to draw in it freehand. If you're working on any other Wacom product, then that works too.
Sponsors of the festival showcased their many offerings at booths that were strategically erected. Some displayed animation products and courses, while others went as far as allowing patrons to do actual animation. And there was a whole lot of networking. The festival catered to the business-minded, hosting speed meetings with top players in the animation industry. The Animation Conference and Film Festival attracted some 900 submissions from over 93 countries for its film competition section. In the end, 14 competitors walked away with prizes in international animation scholarships, animation software and hardware, among other exciting prizes.
The prize is a summer program to Capilano University, which I'm hearing is like from Canada, so it's a very pristine kind of university. So it's coming at the right time, and it's at a time where I dropped out of 2 colleges now because I was pursuing my passion, and now it's being rewarded to me.
It was very inspiring to know that our work was recognized all the way here in Jamaica, and we feel so honored to have received that prize. It's been so rewarding after all our hard work.
I'm very motivated now because based on the improvement that I've seen with Kingstoon, I'm sure we'll be going places.
The Kingstoon Animation Conference and Film Festival was held in collaboration with the Ministry of Science, Energy and Technology and the World Bank. It supports the ministry's youth employment in animation and digital program, which is engaging unattached or at-risk youth and exposing them to opportunities in the animation industry.
The whole idea behind it is for us to put some inputs into the industry. And those inputs are by way of training, because one of the objectives that we have for the project is to increase the number of animators that are available to do jobs and to fill some of the job opportunities that are available in the region. Secondly, to help with on the business development side for the animation studios.
We must enable and position our people to take advantage of international opportunities. As a government, we are committed to propelling the animation industry.
Thanks to the many sponsors of Kingstoon 2016 for creating a vibrant local animation industry and connecting it to the rest of the world.